Money is a tool that can help you reach your objectives. It can offer your family with comfort and security, make future planning easier, and allow you to invest for critical milestones. However, in order to accomplish these goals, you must understand how to make your money work for you. What does it mean to put your money to work? Making your money work for you is gaining control of your finances and then using that control to increase your financial stability and security over time. Through investing, you may finally be able to achieve financial independence or generate wealth. But none of that can happen unless you first understand where your money is going and learn better methods to spend it. Alright, let's consider some 4 ways to make your money work for you. The first way could be consistent budgeting on every item. A budget is an essential tool for improving your financial habits. When you budget, you know where your money is coming from and are deliberate about where you spend it. Rather than spending without a strategy, you are making your money do what you want it to accomplish. When you make a budget, you allocate each dollar earned to a spending area. A budget can be used to spend less money, recognize unhealthy financial habits, and understand where your money is going. Avoid incurring additional debt by paying off existing debt. Spend your money on things that are important to you first. Put money aside for the future. Budgeting is a continuous process. It should be something you do on a daily basis. To account for major expenses or your own spending habits, you may need to change your budget from month to month. You may pick where to invest your money after you know how much you have. You have control over your money when you are selective about where you spend it. This is the first step in making it function the way you want it to instead of feeling trapped by your finances. Budgeting's purpose is to always spend less than you earn. Second way to make money work for you is to get out of debt. When you are in debt, you pay more than the original purchase price. You must also make interest payments, which can significantly reduce your income. Debt means that your money isn't working for you. Instead, it's going to pay interest. It places a financial strain on you and limits your options. Paying off debt, on the other hand, allows you to put that money toward the things that are important to you. You can use it to fund other financial aspirations, such as school, retirement, travel, or changing your living circumstances. You can start your own business. You can start investing it to expand your fortune and gain financial security and independence. Third way is to create an emergency fund. When you don't have control over your finances, surprises might be terrifying. An unforeseen auto repair, medical operation, job loss, or other financial disaster can rapidly send you plunging into new or additional debt, erasing whatever progress you've made toward gaining financial control. Creating an emergency fund is another method to make your money work for you because it shows that you have prepared for unexpected events. If an emergency occurs, you can put the money in your emergency fund to use and retake control of the situation. It can take time to accumulate an emergency savings. Ideally, you should save aside 3 to 6 months' worth of earnings. However, any amount you can set aside would assist. Set aside whatever you can in an unexpected expenses area in your budget if you are still paying off debt or don't have much wiggle room in your budget. Transfer anything in this category to a separate savings account at the end of the month. Put your emergency funds in a high-yield savings account, which will earn you more money than a typical savings or checking account. This implies that the money you save will earn interest while it sits in your bank account. If your bank does not offer high-yield accounts, or if you reside in a rural location without a bank, consider opening an account through online banking. Once you are debt-free or have more money in your budget, you can set up bigger recurring contributions to accelerate the growth of your emergency fund. Our last way to make your money work for you is to saving and investing it wisely. After you have freed up all of your spare cash from debt repayment, you can put it to work in the form of savings and investments. What you save for will be determined by your age, lifestyle, and objectives. You will need retirement funds in addition to an emergency fund. You should also think about whether you require savings for education, either for yourself or your children, travel cost savings, a housing down payment fund. By creating designated savings funds, you can track your progress toward specific goals. Remember, when you pay interest, you are losing money. But when you earn interest, your money is making more money all by itself. Here we go. Drop your own year to make money work for you below. Also be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.